Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Airtable sync with Zapier using OAuth, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Airtable sync with Zapier using OAuth, begin by navigating to your Zapier dashboard. Click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new workflow. In the Trigger app search bar, type Airtable and select it from the drop-down list. For the trigger event, choose an option that fits your needs, such as New Record, and click Continue. You will be prompted to connect your Airtable account. Select the button that says Sign in to Airtable. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your Airtable account if you aren't already logged in. Enter your Airtable credentials and click Log in. After logging in, you'll be asked to allow Zapier to access your Airtable account. Review the permissions requested and click Allow. Once you've successfully authenticated, your Airtable account will be connected to Zapier. Next, you may need to choose the Airtable base you want to sync. Select the appropriate base from the drop-down menu and click Continue. You'll then be asked to choose the specific table within that base. Select the desired table and click Continue. Now, test the trigger to ensure it's working properly by clicking on Test Trigger. Zapier will fetch a sample record from Airtable to confirm the connection is successful. Once the test is complete, click Continue to move on to the action step. In the Action app search bar, type in the app you want to integrate with Airtable. Select the app from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the specific action you want Zapier to perform with the data from Airtable. Click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll need to set up the action details, mapping Airtable fields to the corresponding fields in the Action app. Review your mappings for accuracy. If everything looks good, click Continue. Next, you can test this action to ensure it works seamlessly with your Airtable data. Click on Test and Continue to finalize the action step. Once the test is successful, give your Zap a name. Finally, turn on your Zap by clicking the toggle switch at the top of the page. Your Airtable sync with Zapier using OAuth is now successfully authenticated and if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.